Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my own product, Empire, and I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description as well. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description.
In today's high-tech world, AI is everywhere. Cars are driving themselves. Blogs are being written by bots. Videos are made with a click. Even entire businesses are running on autopilot. No humans required. Sorry, Bob from accounting. AI can automate all the boring, time-consuming tasks in your business. Data entry, customer service, video editing, email marketing, social media management, you name it. With just one command, AI can do what used to take hours or even days of work. And in the middle of all this AI madness, enter the superstar, ChatGPT. This tool is so cool, even your grandma might ask it to write her knitting blog. Kids are using it for homework, entrepreneurs are using it to build enterprises. And some folks, they're asking it to use ChatGPT what to eat for lunch. Guilty. Why? Because it's magic. Just type in what you want and it can create anything. Sales emails, blog posts that actually sound good, YouTube video scripts, killer copywriting, ebooks, graphics, podcast scripts, even life advice. Yes, really. All of that in under 30 seconds with just one click. It's like Aladdin's lamp, but instead of a genie, you get a robot with unlimited brain power. But there's one little problem. Most people don't know how to use ChatGPT the right way. They use ChatGPT like it's a calculator when really it's a Ferrari. So instead of awesome content, your results might come out boring content, awkward writing, missed opportunities. Ugh. But fear not, we've got the fix. Introducing GPT Factory, the most complete ChatGPT course on earth. We're talking step-by-step training from A to Z. Whether you're a total newbie or already using ChatGPT on the daily, this course will take your skills to the next galaxy. You'll discover how to use ChatGPT for everything. Emails that sell, ebooks that impress, video scripts that hook, ideas, graphics, blogs, even life advice if you need it. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any course. It comes with a PLR license, which means you can edit it, rebrand it, sell it as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. That's right, you learn and earn. And to make life even easier, we've included all the done-for-you marketing materials you need to start selling like a pro. Ready-to-go sales page and download page, studio quality sales video, lead magnet and high-quality converting squeeze page, professionally written sales and thank you copy, beautiful graphic set, 4 high-converting email autoresponders. And the best part? You don't have to create anything. It's all done for you. Just plug it in, hit go, and boom, you're in business. This is ridiculously affordable. Honestly, you've probably spent more last week on snacks, apps, or something you don't even remember. Let's be honest, there are 1,000 things you could spend this small amount of money on. A few snacks, another streaming subscription, maybe a phone charger you don't really need. But how many of those things actually give you money back? This one does. GPT Factory isn't just a product, it's a launchpad, a business in a box, a moneymaker you can activate in minutes. With just 1 or 2 sales, you could already be making your money back. And the rest? Pure profit, baby! Let's do the math real quick. Imagine selling 10 copies at $25 each. That's $250. Nice dinner, maybe pay off a bill. Sell 100 copies? That's $2,500. Hello, rent, bills, or a weekend getaway? Sell 1,000 copies, that's $25,000. And now we're talking real-life changes. We're talking dream car, vacation to Bali, or saying goodbye to that annoying boss. People want to master ChatGPT, and you'll be giving them the key on a silver platter. This is more than just a course. It's a digital asset that can generate income over and over again while you sleep, stream Netflix, or scroll aimlessly on your phone. With GPT Factory, you're getting a power-packed ChatGPT mastery course, bundled with PLR rights and plug-and-play marketing assets. To make this even more irresistible, we've added exclusive bonuses only available here right now. But fair warning, this offer is time sensitive. If you leave this page, the price might go up, and the bonuses, poof, gone. Right now, you can lock in lifetime access to the most complete ChatGPT course on Earth, with PLR rights included. Oh, and there's absolutely no risk. If this isn't exactly what you hoped for, you've got 30 days to request a refund. No hassle, no weird questions, no stress. This is your moment to grab something truly valuable. Something that builds you an income, a brand, and freedom. Get your hands on a product that teaches AI, makes you money, and basically sells itself. Hit that button below. Lock in your GPT Factory and PLR rights now. Don't wait. Get started today. Start today. Build your AI-powered empire. Profit tomorrow.